Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream coastal retreat. This magnificent 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom residence, perched on a hillside, offers an unparalleled living experience with breathtaking panoramic views of the Caribbean Ocean. It is located in Duncans, Trelawny. This home has a self-sustained flat on the lower level and an enclosed garage for added privacy. Set within the embrace of nature, this estate combines modern living with the tranquility of a private haven. This property is located in a fast-growing yet discreet enclave, offering the perfect balance of serenity and accessibility. Relax in the privacy of your hillside abode while being mere minutes away from vibrant local amenities and cultural attractions. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 45 million, or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.